Hello, friends. Today we are going to talk about HTML elements. So, elements are HTML documents are made up of HTML elements. An element is written using a start tag, an end tag, and with the content in between. HTML documents consist of HTML elements. An example, for example, let's first paste the basic structure of HTML. Then we go up and type P for us. For us. No problems. We are just starting, so that's not an issue. So here P is a element. Let me give you an. This is an element which has start and end tag, and there are certain tags. There are certain elements which do not have end tags, like this BR. Remember this breaking line tag? So this tag does not have any end tag. And one thing more I want to tell you is how to create so let's talk about that later. But so some elements are quite small, since you cannot put contents within a break tag and you don't have an opening and closing break tag. It's a separate single element. So HTML is really scripting with elements within elements. Didn't understand? Let me tell you. So what I said was that when you script something in HTML, you are basically scripting that thing inside an element with element. For example, these are the elements. For example, see, there are P and P. There are two elements, and we have inserted an element between those two elements, which is BR. Okay, so this was all about elements. Now I want to tell you one thing, that how to create a horizontal line in HTML. So it's very simple, just type HR and put a slash. So it's a one side ending tag which only has one side ending. So now let's save it. Remember document.html. So yes, click yes, and let's see how it looks. Friends, now let's go and see how our page looks like. So let's go to documents. So this is our web page. Now click on it. Let's see. Yes. So you see, this is of P, and this is work of HR element. So I hope you got what is the work of elements. Thank you, friends, for watching this video. Please like my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Please comment in the comment section. Thank you.